Well, good morning and happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I'm coming to you from beautiful Melbourne, Florida, on the Space Coast in Brevard County. My name's Sylvia. Now, this is the Porch 321. We just wanted to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. Yesterday, I had the great pleasure of preparing some Thanksgiving treats for my customers and friends and neighbors, and what I like to do is make peanut butter fudge. It's my signature because for me Thanksgiving really starts with the peanut butter fudge, and it goes back to my cousins, and we used to get together, and it was just a huge Thanksgiving with 50 or so relatives in a church, and it was just a massive undertaking, and the anticipation was amazing. So my recipe, I don't know if anybody else has some of these old recipe cards, was from my Aunt Mim Avery up there. I'm up in New England originally, and it's peanut butter fudge. So she goes through the recipe, but I make it a little bigger. So it's 8 cups of sugar, 2 cups of milk, and 4 cups of peanut butter. It really doesn't matter, the peanut butter. And then you get it to a boil, and you have it boiling for just a little under 3 minutes. Get it to, I believe, the fudge stage on your thermometer is 240. I never had a thermometer when I was growing up and making this fudge, so I had a lot of hits and misses. But anyway, so there, Aunt Mim and all my relatives will understand. So there is the finished product. I haven't cut it yet, but oh, I wish you could smell it. Oh, peanut butter fudge at its best. Happy Thanksgiving. We have so much to be grateful for. Be thankful. Be grateful. And what you can't change this year, maybe next year you can. Because maybe what's good gets a little better, and maybe what's bad gets gone. Happy Thanksgiving. Be grateful, and we'll see you soon from the Porch 321. Thank us. Thank you.